So now let's see how Cycles renderer works inside of Blender. So here you can see that I have an object. I'm just going to add in a few more, but let's say for example like a cube, another cube that is, and I'm going to resize this out and resize this out long as well. I can go around onto the render view. So this is in the regular EV renderer. So what I want to do is enable Cycles renderer, which is more like a heavy renderer and not a real-time renderer. So I'm going to go around into the tools right here. Let me just go around over here onto the render engine, render properties, and instead of EV, I'm going to select Cycles right here. So Cycles takes a bit more time to render, as you can see, but it is much more detailed. So the rendering is much more precise, although it takes a bit of time. You can see that this is how it actually works. I'm going to go around and then add in some materials right over here. So let me just go around over here onto like this one. On the material, let me just go around, make it more metallic right here, and this is how it works. I'm going to press Shift D right here, and then you can create like a copy of these materials as well. I'm just going to press Shift D, and there you go. You can see that the shadow is there and everything, as you can see right here, and everything is more precise over here accordingly. So you can go around. There's like specular that you can arrange out. So let me just arrange out like specular. You can go down specular tint, arrange it out. I'm going to press, let's say for example, Shift A, go around onto mesh, and then if I were to bring in UV sphere, another sphere is here. I can go around over here. Let me just go around and make this object smoother. So I'm just going to go around, shade this smooth, and then I'm going to go around, add new material right here, and then increase out the metallic range right here, just like this. You can go around onto specular tint, and then roughness, let me just decrease it right here so that it's very, very precise. So everything is very, very precisely reflected, as you can see right here as well. You can change around the base color, let's say for example like this. So let me just go around, change around the base color right here, and this is how it works. Everything is there. The rendering is kind of slow, but it is more precise. And that is how the Cycles renderer works inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.